What up, guys? This is Pastor Canal again. We're coming up with another video in JavaScript. Today we're going to be talking about class constructors, right? Before we talk about, still talk about objects and stuff, right? So when we're creating multiple objects, it's a lot easier just to use a class constructor for this. So that's what we're going to be starting to do. So let's create our class, which is going to be class with the name user, okay? And right here we're going to create, inside this is going to be our constructor function right here. So we're going to say constructor, okay. And now we're going to be um, so we're going to call, in order to call our constructor, we're going to be using another variable cons, because we're going to call it user1, and then equals to, we're going to use the new keyword, and then the name of the class, which is going to be user. Open, closing parenthesis, put in semicolon right here. So what this is going to do, a couple things, is going to call the function constructor, and then it's going to set all the properties of this new object. Okay. So all right. So right here inside our function, our constructor, we're going to use the word this. Okay. I'm going to say this, that, and we're going to use the property name. What is going to say? Let's just do first name. And then right here we're going to say what? Let's say pastor. Semicolon. Right? So that's what we have. And so right here, let's use our console log just to take a look. We're going to say user1. Let's save it. And let's check our browser. Inspect. Let's go to console. And it doesn't show anything. So it says there is something wrong. Let's see, what is it? Class constructor HTML. Is this a typo that I'm doing? Is there a typo again? Let's see. Let's go back. Let's check it out. Class user constructor this, the first name equals pastor. Okay. So we're using this new cons user1 equals new user. Yeah, it's pastor console.log user1. This is weird. So oh yeah, I'm missing something really important right here. I don't know if you already catched it, but this is just for you to take a look what I'm doing wrong. Didn't catch that. I was missing that parenthesis. Let's go back again, and now it should work. See, do you have another error? This is no errors. Okay, right here. I got pastor right here. Boom, that worked. Now, if I want to add another create another object right here, we can just do cons, let's just do user2 equals to new user, which is going to be comma, going to the user2. Let's save it. It should be just the same name twice. Let's check. Yeah, see? And that's how you can create more and more and more, like a lot of the different objects right here. But so we can do something really cool just to help us out a lot better, right? We can so we can create, we can pass arguments. So we can pass arguments, we can pass parameters to our constructor. For example, let's just do let's say first name, first name, comma, let's just pass a couple, first name, and then we're going to do last name right here. Now instead of having this name string right here, we can just assign that to our parameter right here, which is going to be first name, and then we copy this line of code and we paste it, and then we just do, let's just do last name, and then we just do last name here, right? And now right here we can set those values right here, right? So we can say what is my first name is Pastor, comma, and what is the last name? It's Canayo, right? And right here we're going to say another one. We're going to say John, and then we're going to say John Smith. And we'll still pass user 1 and user 2. So that should give us two different names, right? Let's save it. Let's go check our browser. Yeah, we have Pastor Canayo, we have John Smith right here. See, this is a lot easier just to create more objects right here. Let's go back, and so those, okay, now let's talk about this. So with a new user, let us create a unique object using constructors, passing values and stuff, right? Whenever we're creating an object like this new user with this argument or values, we are creating an instance of the user class, this one right here, okay? And this is a lot easier. Like before, we were creating objects, right? If you were creating object 1, object 2, and there was just a lot of code to do this, and this is a lot, this simplifies when you're creating objects. I don't know if that makes sense, but yeah, alright guys, thank you for checking the video, and I will see you next in the next video. Okay, have a good night. Okay, bye.